and welcome to Junior Science Experiments. Today our experiment name
Do you know I eat all the hot for the movie? What movie? So what is this?
we're doing an experiment. Stop this. Say hi.
Oh hi, my name is Lily.
So, once again, welcome to Junior Science Experiments. Today our experiment name is going to be formation of shadows. So here are the materials. Okay, a lamp.
Oh sorry. Okay.
A toy.
Oh, a toy.
So let's start the experiment. Go switch off the houses. Hurry up, hurry up. Be quick. In this video, I think we're gonna only switch one light.
What?
We're gonna switch one light. Polly switched off the wrong light. Yeah. So now, let's start. We're gonna place the toy over here. I'm gonna place the toy in my hand. So let's switch on the lamp. See, the light source is far from the toy. So it's forming a small shadow, which is darker and sharper. But if we move the light source near to if we move the toy near to the light source, it forms a big shadow, but it's hasty. We're gonna see it clear. So here's what we have learned, that when the light source is near to the object, it forms a big shadow, which is hasty. And when the light source is far away from the object, it forms a small shadow, which is darker and sharper. So don't forget to subscribe, and bye! Bye!
Bye.